The world is said to be a big place, but the universe is much bigger. And what's more is it's expanding all the time. How do we know this? Because of the evidence provided by redshift. In this video, we're going to learn about Edwin Hubble and his use of the Doppler effect as evidence of an expanding universe. Before the work of Edwin Hubble, scientists believe the universe was a lot smaller and static. Edwin Hubble became a famous American astronomer after he examined the light from nearby galaxies. The atoms of elements that are in the atmosphere of a star absorb specific wavelengths of light. This can tell us the chemical makeup of the star, as well as its relative distance from the Earth. We can see the absorption of these different wavelengths when looking at the light spectrum of a star, also known as Fraunhofer lines. The black lines show us where light is being absorbed. We can tell the exact wavelength of light being absorbed. The Doppler effect is the observed change in wavelength and pitch of sound, or change in wavelength and colour in light if the source is moving relative to the observer. Have you ever heard a police car pass and noticed the sound of the siren change suddenly? Then you have experienced the Doppler effect. The same thing happens to the light of the stars travelling to us from distant galaxies. When a star is moving away, the light from the star, because of the Doppler effect, is of a lower frequency than expected. It moves towards the red frequencies, red shift. Hubble noticed that most of the galaxy's light was shifted towards the red end of the spectrum, and also the further away a galaxy was, the more its light was red shifted. Look at these two atomic spectra, one from our Sun and the other from a distant star. Remember, low frequency visible light is red and high frequency visible light is blue. The lines in the spectra are the same pattern, but they have been shifted to the red end of the spectrum of the distant star. Hubble concluded that most galaxies were moving away from our own. The further away a galaxy was, the faster it was moving away from us, and the universe is expanding. Look at these three spectra. Which of these stars is closest to us? Which of these stars is furthest away from us? Redshift also provides evidence for the Big Bang Theory. You can find out more about the Big Bang Theory in this video. So that's how we know the universe is a big place and expanding all the time.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. Why not check out our AddyESchool app as well? Until next time.